Hi everyone. Today we want to share with you our latest hiking adventure at Muiravonside Country Park. This beautiful park offers breathtaking views and diverse landscapes for outdoor enthusiasts. From peaceful rivers to rolling hills, I can assure you that Muiravonside is a must visit for anyone who loves to hike. Join me as we explore the different trails and take in the stunning scenery this park has to offer. With its 170 acres of gorgeous woodland and parkland, visitors are treated to a diverse array of attractions and activities to enjoy. From the peaceful River Avon Trail to the exciting John Muir Way, there are plenty of opportunities to explore the local area. One of the highlights of Muiravonside is its mini demonstration farm, where you can get up close and personal with a variety of animals and learn about life on the farm. From cows and pigs to sheep and horses, the farm is home to a menagerie of creatures that are sure to delight visitors of all ages. As we make our way through the park, we come across a hidden gem nestled in a wooded glen, the lime kilns. These historic structures are a testament to the industrious past of the park and its surrounding area. Lime kilns were essential in the production of quicklime, a vital ingredient in the building industry. Quicklime was used in mortar, plasters and whitewash, among other things. The kilns at Muiravonside were built in the mid-19th century and were part of the larger Muiravonside estate developed by Sir Charles Stirling in 1830. We stand in awe of the magnificent Avon Aqueduct, a true testament to the technological skill of the time. This structure was built between 1818 and 1822 to carry the Edinburgh and Glasgow Union Canal over the River Avon and its beautiful wooded valley. Designed by Hugh Baird, the Avon Aqueduct is the second largest in Britain. The aqueduct is a staggering 810 foot long and 86 feet high, with 12 arches supporting the waterway. The water runs through an iron trough, which was a revolutionary concept at the time and allowed Baird to build hollow arches with struts, resulting in a more slender and graceful appearance. Inspired by the designs of Thomas Telford, the Avon Aqueduct is a true work of art. The arches are deep and the trough is faced with stone, surmounted by iron railings that give it a light appearance. On the north side, there's even a grated opening where you can take a look inside and see the inner workings of this incredible feat of engineering. We stand in front of the family graveyard at Muiravonside Estate, surrounded by the picturesque valley of the Avon. This historic cemetery was created in 1862 by Charles Stirling and consecrated by Charles Terret, Bishop of Edinburgh, on July the 4th of that year. According to the consecration document, this piece of land was dedicated to the sacred name of God, to be used from henceforth as a cemetery or place of Christian burial only. The cemetery is surrounded by brick walls and protected by a sandstone copse, and is terraced into the hill slope. The central path is lined with wrought iron gates and leads to several headstones, marking the final resting place of members of the Stirling family. Thomas Stirling, the last known member of the family to be interred here, died at Muiravonside House on March 17, 1930, and was buried in this private cemetery. The family graveyard at Muiravonside Estate is a beautiful and serene place, steeped in history and surrounded by natural beauty. Muiravonside House is on a level platform overlooking the stunning River Avon and is surrounded by rolling hills, best suited for forestry and pasture. The location provides breathtaking views of the valley, making it a true scenic wonder. But the house isn't just a pretty face, it has a rich history dating back centuries. It was once part of the barony of Ross and Melville, and it wasn't until 1685 that it became an independent barony under the ownership of Andrew Ross. Despite being part of larger baronies for much of its history, Muiravonside House has not seen much investment, which only adds to its charm. As As I stand here at the east end wall of Muiravonside House, I can see a magnificent structure projecting from the wall, the Muiravonside Ducat. This ducat is not only a beautiful architectural wonder, but it also holds a rich history and purpose. A ducat is a building designed to house doves or pigeons. These birds were not only kept as pets, but also served a practical purpose. They provided fresh meat and fertiliser for the land. Ducats were commonly used in Scotland from the 17th century onwards, and have since become an iconic part of the country's cultural heritage. Measuring 19 foot by 15 foot, the ducat is built using rubble and has a solid, sturdy feel to it. Despite being of a type that has been in use for centuries, the ducat shows no features of a date before the early 19th century. It is evident that the building has been considerably altered over time, but it still stands strong and proud, just as it did centuries ago. Today the ducat serves as a store, but it's not hard to imagine the bustling activity that would have taken place here in the past. The doves and pigeons would have fluttered about, their coos and chirps filling the air. It's incredible to think about the impact these birds had on the lives of those who lived here.